Has your Sonos Playbar suddenly disappeared from the app or refused to join your wireless network? Connection issues like this can interrupt music streaming and TV audio, making it seem like something is seriously wrong. Fortunately, many Wi Fi problems are caused by temporary network interruptions, outdated settings, or signal related issues rather than a faulty speaker. In many situations, a Sonos Playbar not connecting to Wi Fi problem can be resolved with a few simple checks. Before assuming the device needs replacement or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore a stable connection. Restart your Wi Fi router and unplug the Sonos Playbar for a brief moment. 2. Power the Playbar back on and allow it to complete its startup sequence. 3. Open the Sonos app and verify that your mobile device is connected to the correct network. 4. Move the Playbar closer to the router or reduce nearby wireless interference if possible. 5. Refresh the Sonos system and confirm that the Playbar appears online and responds normally.